In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go full screen in Google Vids. Let's dive right into it. Have you ever been watching a video on Google Vids and thought, I wish I could make this video take up my whole screen? Whether it's for a better viewing experience or because you're trying to focus on the content without distractions, going full screen can make all the difference. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's easier than you might think, and once you know how, you'll be able to enjoy your videos in a whole new way. First off, start by opening your web browser. Any modern browser will do, but for the optimal experience, we suggest using Google Chrome or Firefox since they integrate seamlessly with Google services. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google Vids website. You'll find a plethora of videos at your fingertips, but first we need to get you logged in. Upon arriving at the Google Vids homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will prompt you to choose an account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the Google Vids you want to access. If you're already signed into your browser with a Google account, this step might be even quicker, as you can simply select your account from the list provided. After you've successfully signed in, you're ready to find a video to watch. Whether it's a tutorial, a documentary, or just something to relax to, once you have a video open, the next steps are crucial for going full screen. Now look for the view option. It's usually easy to find but can differ in placement depending on the video's layout or the device you're using. This option is your gateway to changing how you watch your video. Click on View to expand a drop-down menu that contains several viewing options. Among these options, you'll find the magic button, Full Screen. Clicking on Full Screen will instantly expand the video to occupy the entire screen. And just like that, you're in full screen mode. It's that simple. No more distractions from other browser tabs or parts of the Google Vids interface, just you and your video. But what if you need to exit full screen mode? Don't worry, it's just as easy to get out as it was to get in. Most of the time you can press the SC key on your keyboard and it will take you right back to the standard view. Alternatively, moving your mouse will typically reveal a control bar at the bottom of the screen where you can find a full screen icon. Clicking this icon again will also exit full screen mode. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to go full screen in Google Vids. Remember, going full screen can enhance your viewing experience by making the video more immersive and minimizing distractions. Plus, it's a great way to focus solely on the video content, whether you're learning something new or just enjoying entertainment. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Watching videos in full screen on Google Vids is a fantastic feature, and now that you know how to activate it, you're all set to enjoy your videos like never before. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.